Hello everyone. What is acceptance criteria? In the last video, I spoke about user stories and I mentioned acceptance criteria and promised to share what is an acceptance criteria in a user story in this video. So here it is. As the name suggests, it is the particular set of criterias which must be met for a user story to be a success. What does that mean? Basically, when you write a user story, you have to mention or decide upon a set of criterias which must be met or developed and tested successfully for calling the user story to be done and be closed. To go into more details, it is basically an understanding between the product team, the development team, the QA team, the designers, as well as other stakeholders, which are all involved in this particular product feature to say that, yeah, this user story has been completed. To continue the same example where we added the user story as a paying customer, I want my card details to be saved so that I can make the payments faster on say any page called say Amazon or Flipkart or Airbnb, anything. The acceptance criteria in this case would look something like: the card details can be added successfully. The While adding the card details, you should not be able to save the cryptogram of the card. The card details must be the user must be able to select the card details saved from a list of saved details to make the payment, etc., etc. Basically, acceptance criteria should test the behavior of the feature and not the implementation, and this is where many a times product owner or a product manager fail in writing a good acceptance criteria. You are testing the behavior from the end user perspective, not the implementation. If you notice in the example which I gave, you are testing the behavior as an end user and not the implementation. So the, as we call it in the product terms,